Vishweshapuram or VV Puram is the place to go if you want to have vegetarian street food in Bangalore. The street is named after M. Vishweswaraya, who was the former Dewan of Mysore. It is the first food street in Bangalore and known as Thindi Beedi. Join me as we explore the food street and see what it has to offer.
Uncle approved.
The food street is located from Sajan Rao Circle to the end of the Old Market Road. It is barely 300 meters. Limited government car parking is available near the SBI Bank here. There is a pay and use restroom here. The car parking. The public toilets. If we look at the car parking, it has space for about 15 to 20 cars. We have Sajan Rao Circle and then the entry to the food street. We saw live food preparation. This is pav bhaji, a butter-toasted bun served with onions and a potato-based curry. Water is added to a wok, followed by some chutney. This is followed by chili sauce and some spices. Some pre-mixed potato, onion and tomato paste is added. Everything is mashed together. Butter is melted and the bun is toasted. The bun is cut into halves and then briefly dipped in the butter and toasted. The gravy or bhaji is put into a small container to serve. Finally, plated. We had some stone ice cream as well. Milk, cream and toppings are mixed on top of a cold stone. Finally, as it freezes, it becomes ice cream. It is rolled and served on a plate. The next item on our list was the masala khichdi papad. It is a deep-fried bean dough that becomes crunchy. This is topped with chili sauce, onions, carrots, tomatoes, some herbs and spices. Finally, a dash of lemon juice is added. Next, we tried pani puri, which means water pastry. This snack is found in many other parts of India as well. A small crunchy hollow pastry ball is filled with a potato filling and then with some spicy water. Next, we tried some jalebis. They are dough which is fried and then soaked in sugar syrup. This is topped with rabdi, which is a condensed milk-based sweet sauce. We saw a vendor making a sweetbread called holagai or obatu or boli. A quick look at the other vendors on the street. This is the pav bhaji vendor we saw earlier, who also has other flavors of the same snack as can be seen. Other snacks called chaats are also available. We ordered dahi chaat, a type of chaat which has a lot of curd and sprinkled with fried noodles made from chickpea flour. We also ordered a couple of veg cutlets. Another vendor with the varieties of chats on offer. A look at the iconic VV Puram Brahman Bakery, which is 71 years old. It was started in 1953. For some reason, the bakery was closed when we visited. Roasted corn kernels, a pizza vendor and a barbecue. Vanilla softy ice cream. Something unique we saw was coconut apple, which is the coconut embryo. Apparently, it has some health benefits. We saw a live dosa counter, where fresh dosas were made. We had a lot of counters with cold desserts. That's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it.
Share, like and subscribe to see more of my videos, and remember, I am with you. Regards.